Hello again, this is Captain John, and today we're going to talk about how to use your boat along with wind and current for maximum control. This will help make your dockings smoother and easier every time. In this illustration, the green arrow represents the wind or current. Take a look at this center representation of your boat and note how our bow points into the wind or current. You have the most control when your bow faces the wind or current. On the opposite side, notice how the stern points into the wind and current. When you point your bow into the wind or current, you can use a head propulsion with your engine to hold the boat steady, and the wind or current will help stop the boat in a stationary position. When you face away from the wind or current and point your stern into the wind or current, you can use reverse propulsion in the same way, but notice what happens with the bow at an angle to the wind or current. Now you have less control, and the wind or current will act onto the side of the bow to push the bow downwind or down current. Note in the position with the dotted line with the wind and current on your beam. This is the position where you give up maximum control to wind or current. When you line yourself up to make a docking approach, make that approach into the wind or current with your bow. Use these easy tips to maintain maximum control when docking your small sailboat in wind or current. Well, that's it for the day. Have a great sail, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.